wasn't the most healthiest breakfast we have had lately.
And sadly, not the most unhealthy either.
So, what are we up for today?
There are a couple of more sites in the city that we will visit, and also we're going to do some counting.
When we came to Skopje, we didn't know the city was famous for all its statues. There's hundreds, maybe thousands of statues in it.
And we're going to see how many of them we can spot during the day. So we start now.
11 a.m. and we were counting during the day each single new statue we see. How many do you think there are? About 500?
Oh, I don't know, but I think we're going to see about 122 statues. That's my guess.
122?
Yes.
I said 500.
I might be way off. I don't know.
Probably I am.
Let's see who's the closest when we end the day. This is the old railway station of Skopje. And in 1963 there was a terrible earthquake that ruined big parts of this city. And this building right here behind me also collapsed during that earthquake. So on the left side of the building you can see that one part is just torn off, or it's just collapsed. They haven't changed a thing ever since that earthquake, so they pretty much left this building just as it is. Even time stands still here. The clock on the building still shows the same time as when the earthquake happened. So it's kind of a sad reminder of a really, really terrible thing in this city's history. So how do we count this one?
I would say 1.
Okay, so this is number 8 then. Not a statue, but a pretty cool street light. We're on our way to the post office, which is one of the Brutalist style buildings here in Skopje. And I know we captured a lot of those buildings in one of our previous vlogs from Skopje, but they are so cool, so we have to include them again.
So far we are about at 88 statues and we're about to cross this bridge.
So we're gonna do a bulk count of the statues on the bridge.
One and a half hours and we are having a break. Not quite sure what this is. Tastes like acid. But probably it will fuel us up.
We need to revise our plan. There's no way that we can capture all statues in the city. It would be a really long and really boring video. So I think we're going to do the counting for you. We have slowly made our way to the old bazaar.
Quite warm today, about 39 degrees Celsius.
So we can walk for like 5 minutes, then we need to sit in the shade for at least 10. And we're also on the lookout for statue number 200. We're currently at 199.
Now we're 200. 200.
We were planning to go into the Church of Holy Savior. It's one thing that we missed last time we were in Skopje, and from the outside it doesn't look that exciting, but from the inside it's really pretty. It's got an Asian vibe to it, but unfortunately it's closed on Monday, so... It's 2 o'clock and we have to surrender to the heat. We met a guy and he told us it was
47 degrees Celsius.
That's really hot.
47, my God!
So we are going back to the hotel to have a siesta, and then we're going to go back out a little later today when it's a little cooler. That siesta turned into a 3.5-hour break.
It was most needed. It was so very hot. But now we're back on the streets again.
And we're heading up to the old bazaar one more time to get something to eat and to enjoy the last night that we have here in Skopje. Our plan was to go to a hotel named Arka because it had an incredible rooftop bar where you can see pretty much all of Skopje, but it requires a face mask and I forgot my face mask. But you brought your sunglasses, you went up.
Yep, I went up and it was an incredible view. I do recommend have a cup of coffee, just relax at sunset and enjoy the view of the city. Very beautiful.
So that's it, we're gonna end the vlog here at the square where the by far biggest statue is. So how many statues did we see today?
226 statues. That is a lot.
It's a lot.
Just around the city center.
That's pretty impressive. So who was closest, you or me?
We know there are a couple of them over there and there is some over there.
But we didn't see them, right?
No, we didn't see 500. You were closest.
But I bet you can beat our 226 if you're here, because there are tons of other statues in other areas. But that's it, we're gonna call it. And this is also the end of this vlog series from the Balkans.
Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe and follow us on our journey exploring the planet home.
See ya!